Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to request a payment or how to send a payment link on a Wise account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing, you have to be in your business account. Just click on New Payments, you can find it in the top left, click on it, and you will get some options. So if you want to send money to someone, click on Send. If you are requesting money from someone like, for example, from your client, then click on Request. Here just enter the amount. And here make sure the bank transfer option was enabled. And just enter the customer name here. And in product and service, you can enter if you want. Both are optionals. If you want to add an invoice or a due date, just enable this customization option and scroll down. You will find this option where you can upload your invoice, and here is the due date. And below that, you can type your message. Again, this is optional. And here is your payment reference number, which you can change. So once you do everything, click on Create a Payment Link. So now you will get this link, just copy it and send it. To check your payment links and receipts, just close this and go to your home page. Here, you will find the Manage option. Click on it and go to the Payment Request. Here, you will see your unpaid request, paid payments, expired links, and canceled request. Also, you can click on the Request Payment from here, and it will bring you to this same page. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. See you in the next one.